Welcome to Draw and Design. Room is a part of your model. It actually represents the space you occupy within the enclosed area. Technically, it holds lots of information about that enclosed space, like area, volume, ceiling finishes, floor finishes information, and so on. But graphically, it doesn't display anything unless selected. In this movie, I am going to show you 5 tips to place and control rooms in model. So stay with us and watch the full video. In order to create a room, you have to go to Architecture tab and Room and Area panel and click on Room. And you can see we have a light blue color boundary. This is room, and inside of that boundary there is a tag for that room. As you notice in the Modify panel, we have tag on placement. This is checked by default, but if you do not want to place a tag along with that room, you have to uncheck that option. And now you can see the tag is not available. So we check this again, and now we have to place that room inside a closed boundary. Once you go inside the closed boundary, you can see it automatically detects the boundary of that closed area, and we have to click for placement. Now you can see that we have room number 1 placed, and once we place another room, it automatically creates the number for that room as room number 2, and so on. Next thing I want to create is a separation for 2 rooms. I have 2 rooms in this area, one is kitchen and one is living room. So all I have to do is undo, and then I have to place a boundary or a separation. To do so, we have to go to room area and then click on room separator. Then using a line tool, we have to create a boundary between these 2 rooms. Let's create a boundary on 9 feet and then attach it to other side. We have a room separator between these 2. Now if we create a room, it won't go beyond this boundary, and once we hover over the other room, it will go and place the room on that other side. So we have to create room number 2 and room number 3, and also for room number 4. Next we want to rename these rooms, as we have a bedroom in this corner and a bedroom in this corner. We want to rename these 2 tags as bedrooms. So we have to select room and then hold control key and then select this room. You have to select the cross inside of that room. Once you have selected these 2 rooms, you have to go to properties panel, and in the identity data panel, front of name, we have to write bedroom, and this will change the name of these 2 rooms. Next thing I want to discuss is room bounding. Let's suppose we have a wall or a closet inside of room. Let's create a closet in this room from this area to this area. Now if you select the room tag, it will show you that the enclosed boundary of the closet is excluded from the room. To include this closet area, you have to select these 2 walls, and then you have to go to properties panel and uncheck room bounding. This will now include this closet area inside of that room. Now if you select the room, you can see that the closet area is also included in this room. Next thing I want to show you is the color scheme for our rooms. We can show our rooms graphically in the drawing by creating colors inside of those rooms. To create a color scheme, you have to go to properties panel, and in front of color scheme, As you can see, there is no color scheme is added. We have to click this button, and then in added color scheme area we have to create a scheme for our colors. So category for our scheme is rooms, and we want to create colors as per their names. So we have to click on name. Soon you click on name, it will automatically detect the names of all the rooms which are introduced in our drawings, and it will assign the colors to these rooms. You can change these colors, and you can change the properties of these colors, and also you can add some fill pattern. Now you have to click apply and click OK. As you can see, colors are applied. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned the room tags and rooms. See you in the next video.